Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to find circumference of a circle in Python. So first we have to install a package named math on our system, and then we have to import the package. So I am importing the package which is math. Now the formula of circumference is basically c uh, c equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so for this first we have to declare the variable radius, which is 0.43, and then we are going to use the formula for to find the circumference. So let's suppose c is the circumference, and then 2 pi r, so it will be 2 static math dot pi. So we use the package math.py, and then we are using the radius, which is r. Okay, and then at the end we are going to print uh, the circumference. Okay, so let's see. So here we go. The circumference will be c 2.701796. Okay, so in this way you can find circumference of a circle in Python. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.